Today I am showing in another topics in using in geoprocessing toolbox. The this is the union. Okay, how to use the union tool and how to use in union in GIS. So let's start. I have open in tool data. That is the what is the circle data. This is the polygon layer, and another is the two polygon layer. Okay, so union is a one process, one algorithm that is used in a separate layer for overlapping and non-overlapping part. Okay, and also it will be included in after processing in union. So in attribute table also fill in the in respective original layer. Okay, so let's start how to use in union tool. So at first we have to go in vector and then geoprocessing toolbox, because we have used all the geoprocessing tool how to use the union. So then click in the union tool. Okay, then the union tab will be open, and here also will be shown, you have to show what is the union, how to work in union tool. Okay, so I have to brief in a small so here is the longest part in brief in union tool. Okay, so I have selected in a input layer I have selected in a polygon layer. Okay, there is a two polygon layer. Okay, and second is the selected overlay layer in layer a polygon. Okay, this is the circle, this is the overlay layer in two polygon. Okay, and then you have to click in the run button. Before run button I have to open in two layer, uh, polygon layer, uh, and then I have to show in the attribute table. Okay, so there is the two polygon 1 and polygon 2. Okay, and there is a two attribute field. One is the column A and one is the column B. There is the field in some attribute field. Okay, so one polygon 1 and B column you have to fill, I have to fill in geo 1, and second is the polygon 2 and I have to fill in the B column geo 2. Okay, and also I have to open in A polygon layer, that is the circle polygon. That is the one column I have to fill in GIS. Okay, so after processing in union and how it will be shown in attribute table, that's why I have to shown in before after before union process uh, run. Okay, so then you have to click in the run. Okay, then you have to close in the tab. A union polygon layer already shown in the layer panel. Okay, here is the uh, union tool. Okay, I have to check. Okay, this is the union. So I have already briefed the algorithm. Union is a one algorithm that is the create in the separate part in overlapping and non-overlapping part. So that's why this after union, this is the union output layer. So that's why you have to show in separate and layer in overlapping layer or non-overlapping layer. Okay, and also I have to share one thing, that is the attribute field. Okay, so attribute field we have to check how which is the attribute field. I have to select in one part, that is the two overlapping part. So then you have to click in the open attribute table. I have to select in open attribute table. Okay, you have to open, and this is the selected attribute layer. Okay, so here is the attribute field also here. I have already briefed before starting my video. So here is the two attribute layer in overlapping part and non-overlapping part. Okay, so here is the one layer in GIS and one polygon layer and A column and B column in Geo1. Okay, and you have to select in the non-overlapping part. Okay, then you have to open in attribute table. So here is the one attribute table. There is the only polygon 1 and geo 1, column 1, column B. Here is no overlapping part, so that's why the attribute field is null. Okay, so that's why I have to show in the attribute table and before processing in union tool. Okay, so that's why I have to show. So thank you so much. I think in this video is very helpful for all of you. If anything in required in any question, please ping me and comment in my comments video comment section. Okay, thank you.